Today we're going to go down a little bit of a different path. I'm not going to use the stove and I'm not going to use an oven, but I am going to show you how to make a traditional Puerto Rican holiday drink called Coquito. I know, I don't look like a native of Puerto Rico, and I'm not, and I don't even really speak Spanish, but I do have one sentence I say to clerks in stores when they say something to me in Spanish. I always say, yo no hablo español, pero yo puedo decir malas palabras. And at the end of the video, I'll tell you what that means. Tonight, using these 8 ingredients, I'm going to show you how to make a Puerto Rican tradition that is enjoyed at every holiday. That tradition is Coquito, which is a coconut-based drink with spiced rum in it. So we're going to start by pouring in one 15-ounce can of coconut milk. You have to shake this stuff up pretty good, and I did. Now we're going to follow that up with a 14-ounce can of sweetened condensed milk. This is not going to pour very well, so we'll help it. This makes a pretty good amount of liquid when it's done because there's more than one of these little cans in it. Okay, that's all of that. Now we're going to add a 14-ounce, 15-ounce can of coconut cream. Then we're going to pour in a half cup, 4 ounces of evaporated milk. Half a teaspoon of cinnamon, half a teaspoon of nutmeg, and a half a teaspoon of vanilla extract. We're going to follow all of that up with a cup and a half of rum, and this rum had a cinnamon stick in it for the last 24 hours. You can do that, put the cinnamon stick in it and let it sit for 24 hours up to a week. Helps if you actually get it all in the blender. Okay, then we'll put the cover on. Close it down. Give it some power. And we'll blend it until we know it's thoroughly blended. You can also add, if you like, though it's not traditional, you can add raisins, which you soak in the rum at the same time that you do the cinnamon sticks. You can also add pistachio, which is much more traditional. I just don't happen to have any and didn't find any in the store today. So we just need to make sure this is blended. After we know that it's well blended, we're going to take these bottles, which are pretty much traditional bottles, but usually they don't have this decoration on them. This is the Three Kings, which is a big part of the Christmas holiday here. The Christmas holiday here, by the way, starts about September. That's when you start seeing things in the stores, and it runs until at least the middle of January, and sometimes a little bit longer than that. So it's a really long Christmas season. Okay, what that sentence means is coming up. Okay, let's do one of these bottles. Yep. Do one of these bottles. each batch is going to make 3 bottles worth, because each bottle holds about 2 cups. After they're done, the bottles go in the refrigerator for at least 4 hours. I'm going to be making 3 batches because I want to give some away as Christmas gifts. Not quite a 3rd bottle. I'll add a little more to that if I make another batch, and we'll be all set. So this is what they look like full. And we, like I say, we have 2 good ones, 2 full ones, and one that's not quite full. Okay, what my Spanish sentence means is I don't speak Spanish, but I can say bad words. There's no related video to this, but these are sometimes served with cookies and cakes at parties, so if you watch this video, you'll learn how to make some of that.